Hey, good morning guys. It is Saturday morning. I'm out for a walk here in Plattsburgh. Got about an hour and a half left on my 10-hour break. Then we'll be heading on over to Waterbury to do our drop and hook and then headed home. Yeah, these trees and stuff in here are still really green. Don't know what kind of trees these are, but they haven't really turned much color yet. Almost looks like summer down through here. Boy, you can really hear the wind in the top of the trees. I think we get out here by the lake, it's going to be pretty windy, sounds like. Yeah, so tomorrow's Sunday. Gonna go out for a day hike. I was planning on doing an overnight tomorrow night, but weather's supposed to turn real rainy tomorrow night, so I think me and my nephew Tyler will just head out for a day hike tomorrow. Not quite sure where we're going yet, but figured that out tonight. Oh guys, it is a beautiful morning. Yeah, really windy there by the lake. So, I don't know if the audio is even going to be usable. I didn't even try talking, it was so windy. So, we're about 3/4 of the way through our walk. Headed back to the truck now. And we'll get cleaned up. Head over to the ferry, go across the lake. Then over to Waterbury, Vermont. And then we'll be on our way home. Alright, so we just got back to the truck. We did a little over 3 miles. And gotta hurry up now. I only got about 10 minutes left on my 10-hour break. And gonna get cleaned up. And I guess we'll head right down to the ferry, and we'll probably eat our breakfast on the ferry today. So beautiful. Like I said before, it's just gorgeous. It's a gorgeous fall day out. It's in the low 60s right now. Nice little breeze going on. Really windy at the lake though, so we probably have a bumpy ferry crossing today, I imagine. Yeah, all right. So we're here at Waterbury, Vermont. Just got done doing my double drop and hook. Got my trailer swept out. Got all my paperwork done. Gonna start heading for the house. Really nice up here, 75 degrees right here, but they're calling for thunderstorms here in a little while, so probably gonna get pretty wet after a while. But anyway, we're gonna end the video here. Do appreciate you guys watching. Next video will probably be a hiking video. If you like the hiking video, stay tuned for that. Otherwise, we'll have another trucking video probably next week sometime. Anyway, we will talk to you guys later. I do appreciate everybody watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you on the next one. Everybody take care. Be well. Bye for now.